I have no scouts.
They're mounted.
Come. What's 5? 4?
Pagka ano,
Is anyone
pwede
here?
yan.
Fuck man, D-Tank.
Dismounted.
Ay, ingat.
Kamis. Wala ba akong D-Tank?
Wala pa. Hintayin nyo mag-engage yung kalaban.
Kamis. I need a scout, guys. Are they playing two fronts? What's their comp? Come on, tell me right now. Let's go.
May brawler sila, madami silang brawler.
Alright, they're full brawlers. Come on.
Marami rin silang brawlers boy.
Actually,
Ganito na lang, wag na tayong maglikod na.
Kamis.
Dito na tayo manggaling sa...
Full brawl yung Garuda. Full brawl yung Garuda.
Kamis.
Dito na kayo manggaling sa main... Sa main, sir,
Hold
manggaling.
it. Wait for that beetle.
Palad nga, palad.
Fast engage west here on the D-Tanks. 5. On me. 4.
Ingat wag muna.
On the D-Tanks only. Fuck. Come east.
Ayun na, brawling na sila.
Kamis. Yeah, it's okay. Hold.
Ayun na, pwede na sa
Cool
likod.
down. Cool down. Actually, Kamis. Disengage. Kamis. Spread out. Feet. Spread out.
Ingat.
Ready.
Any heals, bro?
Come. Switch shots. West. Far west here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Far west.
Ay, ito sa north ko, boys. Nandito kayo sa akin.
Brother, silence.
Sa east natin. Dami sa east ha. Kita nyo east?
Switch sides.
Kita nyo east, tara.
Come. Switch sides.
Wag muna. Wag.
Switch right. Please, switch right.
Ayun na, ingat ha.
Switch side. Sustain. Potions if you need. Switch sides. Come.
Switch side.
Listen, Cleanses. Heals. Full push. What do you want in a couple seconds here? What do you want lang? Ditang sis.
Patay isa.
What do you want? What's on bridge? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We tap on. Full push shots. All outside the bridge. Get past the bridge. Get past the bridge. We need heals. Go down space. Keep cutting. Kites up. We're good. Kites up. Ditang, stop. Go down CPS. We need to turn the choke. Come on. Come to the ground. Please, come to the ground. Listen. On me. On the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Fuck.
Nice.
Come.
Nice, Elijah.
More hits. Sustain. Kites up.
Kahit muna, konti. Pwede pag sa choke, boy ha. Pwede sa choke.
Kites up, please.
Pahil nga si Em.
Kites out. Pull down. We need to kill someone. When he heals. Kites out.
Alis.
Ready on the crown now. Ready on the crown. 5, crown, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown.
Ingat sa north, boys. Ingat sa north.
Delete this front line, please.
Wala kayo dyan, malayo kayo, Jers.
Stay on this front line.
Malayo
Stay on this
sa
front line.
south yung serve niya, boy.
Bro, please, bro.
Yeah.
Spread them, bro. Come on.
10 seconds.
Rigger, come back, please. Rigger, come back.
Ali yung ano nyo, pre. Nandito sa west, sa south sila.
They're afraid. Kamis.
Pwede na kami mag-push. Pwede kayo mag-push. They're looting.
Kamis.
Sige, sa lagubang. Hampas mo na yan.
Kamis. Keep walking. Do not drop anything huge. Kamis. Keep walking. On the ground.
Sa likod tayo, sa lagubang.
Keep rolling. Bro them. Kamis, follow crown.
Nagmamount sila.
Pinity. Tingnan nyo.
Mounting yung iba.
They're running right now, bro. Come on. What the fuck?
Nice natin yun, no? Message natin yung
Huh?
trash to kanina na isa. Takbo daw.
Just kill anyone. Can.
Anyone's turn.
Guys, Rigger, come back. We're still going to the castle. Yeah, Rigger. Come to the castle. Kill anyone you can here. Just follow the crown always, guys. Don't be afraid to switch sides, please.
Oo, sabi ko. Yung Imperio.
Guys, we're not killing anyone on those engages, huh? Fuck. We need to kill more.
Bomb namin sa likod.
Takbo!
Suy, patay mo yan. Suy,
1, 2,
patay mo
3,
yan.
5 people. Dude, they're just looting after they kill some of us, like 4 people, they kill one of us. They just gonna clamp up on the bodies and loot. Fuck me.
We have designated looter, motherfucker.
Guys, stop looting, come southeast. We go in the castle now.
Wala na boy, late ako pre.
Sago, sarap. Kaso mali si Daddy
Ay, run, bro.
Daddy Jers.
Amo ng